In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. With busy schedules, it's challenging to find time for mundane tasks like vacuuming and mopping. Enter the Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. A powerful, feature-packed solution designed to make your life easier. This smart cleaning robot not only vacuums but also mops, providing a true hands-free experience for up to 60 days. Let's dive into the key features, benefits, and why this device is a must-have for anyone looking to automate their home cleaning routine. The first thing you'll notice when unboxing the Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus is its sleek, modern design in a glossy black finish. Accompanied by its self-emptying station, this robot vacuum stands out as a premium product. The setup is easy, and with just a few taps on the Ecovacs app, you can connect it to your Wi-Fi and let it take over your home cleaning tasks. Key features that set the Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus apart. 1. Self-emptying station. Hands-free cleaning for up to 60 days. One of the standout features of the Deebot N8 Pro Plus is its self-emptying station. After every cleaning session, the robot automatically empties its dustbin into the station, which holds up to 2 months of debris in a disposable dust bag. This means less frequent maintenance and more time for you to focus on other tasks. 2. 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus doesn't just vacuum, it also mops your floors. The Osmo mopping technology ensures thorough cleaning, and the robot can automatically avoid carpets when mopping, providing a seamless transition between different floor types. When vacuuming carpets, the suction power doubles to effectively pull out dirt and debris. 3. 2600 PA Powerful Suction. With a suction power of 2600 PA, the Deebot N8 Pro Plus provides deep cleaning for both carpets and hard floors. This impressive suction strength ensures that even the smallest particles of dust, pet hair, and allergens are removed from your living spaces. Additionally, the vacuum operates quietly, making it ideal for homes with pets or small children. 4. Laser navigation and obstacle avoidance. One of the challenges many robot vacuums face is navigating around objects and avoiding getting stuck. The Deebot N8 Pro Plus uses TrueDetect, a laser-based 3D technology that allows it to detect and avoid obstacles like cables, toys, or even pet waste. This reduces the chances of the vacuum getting stuck, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free cleaning process. 5. Multi-floor mapping for maximum efficiency. Do you have a multi-level home? No problem. The Deebot N8 Pro Plus can store multiple floor maps, making it easy to clean different areas of your home without having to reset its navigation. Whether you need to clean your living room, bedrooms, or even an upstairs office, this robot has you covered. In terms of performance, the Deebot N8 Pro Plus excels. It can clean up to 2,000 square feet on a single charge, making it ideal for larger homes. The vacuum can handle all floor types, from hardwood to carpets, and adjusts its suction power accordingly. The Osmo mopping system ensures that your floors are cleaned efficiently, and the robot intelligently avoids carpets while mopping. With its superior obstacle avoidance technology, you won't have to worry about coming home to a stuck vacuum. It maneuvers around furniture, toys, and other household items with ease, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning. The Deebot N8 Pro Plus is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the vacuum with simple voice commands. You can also schedule cleaning sessions, monitor cleaning progress, and even set virtual boundaries using the Ecovacs Home app. This ensures that the vacuum only cleans the areas you want, further enhancing its efficiency and convenience. Who is the Deebot N8 Pro Plus for? The Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus is perfect for busy professionals, families with pets, and anyone who wants to automate their home cleaning tasks. If you're tired of vacuuming and mopping manually, or if you're looking for a way to keep your home clean with minimal effort, this robot vacuum is a game changer. The hands-free, self-emptying feature alone makes it worth the investment, but the additional mopping functionality and powerful suction take it to the next level. Pros and cons. Pros. Self-emptying station holds up to 60 days of debris. 2-in-1 vacuum and mop for a thorough clean. 2600 PA suction power for deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors. TrueDetect obstacle avoidance reduces the risk of the vacuum getting stuck. Multi-floor mapping for efficient cleaning across different levels. Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility for voice control. Cons. The self-emptying station takes up more space than standard charging docks. Replacement dust bags for the station need to be purchased separately. The initial price might be higher compared to non-self-emptying vacuums, but the convenience it offers justifies the cost. Conclusion: is the Deebot N8 Pro Plus worth it? In a word, yes. The Ecovacs Deebot N8 Pro Plus is one of the best robot vacuums on the market today, offering a powerful combination of vacuuming and mopping, smart navigation, and the convenience of a self-emptying station. If you're looking for a cleaning solution that can handle everything from pet hair to dust, while also offering hands-free maintenance, this is the robot vacuum for you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.